oriented anyway. So,
Good morning.
Dr. Hari, welcome. So we are conducting interviews for the DIN Master Classes, and we've got many teachers who we're going to introduce to the world. And when I say the world, it's because we have about 30 to 40 students joining us from Alaska to Argentina, from Massachusetts to Malaysia. We've got people all over the world who are joining. And they are yoga teachers, they are Ayurveda serious students who have been practicing for 20 years, and everything in between. And we've got a whole bunch of people who want to do the Ayurveda śloka-by-śloka. So what we've been doing is interviewing teachers from all over India who love the Ashtanga Hrdayam and are going to follow the format that you already know from working with Chitra and Sanjay Pasharodi for the last year. So what we're now doing is creating a series of videos.
Namaste, everybody. So Rasayana is actually maintaining the purity of dhatus, where we can see the perfect quality of kapha and pitta, vāta, all these three, where this shloka explains avikṛtā, dehaṁ, vartayanti. That means the balanced doṣas maintain the health, whereas imbalanced like kleda and vitaha causes diseases. So ghnanti de vartayanti cha. So both the proper one and the improper one can cause either the health or disease. That's the concept of this shloka. Any questions on that?
Yes, I have one. Can you explain the difference between vikṛta and avikruti, and why did he not use prakruti instead of avikruti?
Very good. It's an excellent question. See, it has got three states. One is prakruti, the other is vikruti, and vikruti.
Prakruti, vikruti?
Prakruti and prakruti is the absolute balance, the perfect natural state of body. Vikruti is usually considered for the ultimate vikruti. In Charaka, we can see there is one chapter which explains Rishta Lakshana, which are the symptoms of upcoming death. So in a total imbalance, which is the vikruti, leads to ultimate death. But what we see in between here, in our day-to-day life, in the normal life, is not either prakruti or vikruti. Lots of people check prakruti by just pulse examination, asking questions, some questionnaires. But mostly what we find is not prakruti, is vikruti, the current status. It is very hard to identify the prakruti. Prakruti analysis takes at least 15 days staying with a physician, because we always try to hide our certain, behaviors. We want to be nice, so we don't show so many things that we act. That's why Charaka says in somewhere, like, give alcohol, then the actual prakruti will be shown outside. The rest is like a honeymoon period. We always act. So we hide so many of our parameters. So it's not easy to identify the prakruti. And here, why particularly vikruti? Because the next word connecting to it is linked to this word vikruti. Vikṛtā ghnanti. Ghnanti means that which kills, not causing disease. So it explains the range of imbalance that can happen.
Ghnanti.
It takes the range. It can be up to death. So what is going to be maximum? Death. And what is the maximum of being balanced? Vartayanti. It maintains, means without any disease, it can just maintain. It doesn't say that one can get rid of, death ever. If we are born, we will die. But we can maintain and we can prolong that, which is the base of Ayurveda principles. healthy, long life. It never says that we can escape from death. So there is a death, but we can just prolong. Is that clear?
Very
Yes.
clear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.